Sadigan, previous video de moi apni hange share grishe kinga September de SCO la meeting du China de hobole ase koigina hitula opore achi amahan clearly sabole para se kinga India la prime minister bi SCO la meeting du attend gro chache hitu ek line hoy China India aro Russia la leaders khan ekta tarwaza de bra ayase tinda country du unite kurshe golo USA aro Europe la upore hit back korole pichi changes ase friends USA la president bra ekta funny statement di dishe de tabra claim guriche in case USA thagana gole dunya manohondu thagibo no parugo aru moi bra mola dinnership de USA du bichi takat per panai dishe goise
because without the United States everything in the world would die. It's true. It's so powerful, it's so big, and I made it really big in the first 4 years. Then it started to degenerate with what this Biden administration did, but we built it up to a level that I never thought we could be at this quickly.
Finland la president Alex Tupra Europe aro American manokhan ge warn gurishe in case Europe aro American manokhan bra cooperative foreign policy du atop kuranai kole global south aro Indian la market du amahan bra hari chawo tai han ki logwa je kole aman sab jane China aro India la population du sab jane aro market du bishi diversified ase do hitu bhabna kurigina tai han bra ko ase in case Europe bra global south aro Indian manokhan ge logina pirai nai kole India la market aro global south la market du amahan bra hari chawo
what we saw with the Shanghai Cooperation Group is what we have been seeing in the sidelines for a longer time. There's an attempt to undermine the unity of the global West. And my message, not only to my European colleagues, but especially to the United States, is that if we don't drive a more cooperative or dignified foreign policy with especially the global South, the likes of India, we're going to lose this game.
Sadikan hitu khabur du Indian government nimide bichi phalase Russian government bra Indian government ge offer grishe in case apni khan bra amana proposal du de accept grishe gole Sukhoi 57 fighter jet tu du made in India nole India de bra produce kro grishe hitu la bode amhan ek part detail bra discuss kro Russia United Aircraft Corporation and Rosoporno Export ta khan bra India ge offer grishe Sukhoi 57E export variant fighter jet ase de du to ta khan bra India government ke offer grishe direct supply nole India aro Russia da join gurigena ekta protection unit du India de kholobo koigena Sukhoi 57E Russia bro offer kura fighter jet du 5th generation fighter jet ase aro present context se saje kole India la hate 5th generation ekta bin nai American bra F-36 to be offer grishe hole bi Indian government bra hitu du ignore grishe Russian agency bra Sukhoi 57 protection unit to India de khulbo nimite hal nasik facility to identify kurishe aro itu upgrade kurishe kole Sukhoi 57 to India de bra manufacture kurbo with joint protection hitu ek line noi dekhan bra goise apni khan bra lagishe kole full technology transfer bi kurbo aro source code bi apni ngai tu diwo aro integration of India system means Indian government bra apni khan la hesab de bra indigenous missile khan integrate kurbo nimidwi hitu la upore bi apni hange fully access diwo goise ekta pia khapur do Afghanistan de bra ase takhan la country do 6.0 magnitude earthquake bra hit kurishe hitu saigena Indian government bra ase humanitarian aid takhan ke 20 tons of relief materials khan do airlift kurishe sadikan video do yadra end kuribo apni khan channel de lodun se gule subscribe kuribi aru to video do informative aru knowledgeable thakise gule share kuribi apni khan ge next video de log pabo to bye friends video end nakura agede apni khan ge bi apology mangya se moi academic session de considerate kura bra moi la YouTube channel to maintain nole consistency maintain grow na bare when come to uploading the video only bi moi time badam de apni khan video do hoday din upload kura